Hey guys, this is a review video based on what I posted in the weekly analysis video. So yeah, let's start with DXY. In daily time frame, we don't have any major changes. I mean, my bias is still intact. It took out this, it mitigated from this daily FVG, so nothing there to mitigate on the downside. So I'm still bullish on DXY in the daily time frame, same as yesterday. Yesterday we were talking about this order block, right? Let me go to 1 hour or 1 hour. We have this order block. I have mentioned yesterday itself why I have considered only this candle as an order block. Why not these two candles? Because it has imbalance FEG in this, and there's a liquidity buildup over here. So yeah, my original bias for today was price price to come up and take this buy side liquidity and mitigate this, and eventually price should take out this sell side liquidity. Price did mitigate into this order block, but I haven't got much reaction which I was anticipating. But we never know, right? Price can again come back in deeper into this supply zone and can have a retracement, so that yeah, this sell side liquidity can get taken out eventually and we can look for longs. Yeah, guys, pretty much my bias is pretty much same even today. So let's see what happened today. Price took out all this buy side liquidity as I have mentioned yesterday, and price pushed into this order block, and we have seen a reaction. As I said, as I said earlier, we I haven't got much reaction from this. There's a no proper candle closing below this. I was expecting that, and I was expecting this sell side liquidity to get taken on, but no issues. Today is a Monday. So yeah, generally Mondays and Fridays we won't see much momentum on in forex, and we don't have any news today, so the volumes are really dry. Yeah, that's all for DXY. Let me go with Euro USD. Let's start with daily time frame. Yeah, same as DXY. Daily remains intact because this is a daily review video of my weekly analysis, right? Yeah, daily pretty much reacts. Daily pretty much will be same. Let's move on to 4 hour. As I mentioned yesterday, I'm still bearish on Euro USD on the higher time frames. Still, this buy side liquidity hasn't been taken out. Let's go into 1 hour time frame. We have a daily FEG down here as mentioned yesterday. So 4 hour, nothing has changed from yesterday. It is still in this range. I haven't traded today, but as I said, this is my range. It is a no trading range for me. I want either of the side to get taken out to initiate a trade. If this sell side liquidity gets taken out, I'll look to initiate some longs because we have this FEG and these order blocks here. But if this buy side liquidity gets taken out, I'll look for some shorts as mentioned yesterday. We had some opportunities today in the London session, but as I mentioned, this is a no trading zone for me. I haven't taken any trades. We- Okay, let's see what all trades we had today. Yesterday also I was in a bit dilemma to take this, to consider this or not, but eventually I haven't considered this because we have a lot of liquidity downside. Price moved into this order block, broke the structure here, We had a clean entry here, but obviously the target hasn't achieved. So this would have been a big break-even trade. So yeah, yes, today is also my bias is intact. If the sell side liquidity gets taken out, I'll look for some longs, and if this buy side liquidity gets taken out, I'll look for some shorts. Same as yesterday, this is all no trading zone for me. This is no trading zone for me. I look for either sides to get taken out. Yes. Let's move to GBP USD. Daily, yeah, daily. I think there won't be any change in daily time frame, daily bias. So, as we discussed yesterday, this is no trading zone for me. Yeah, it did tap into this 1 hour FEG, but in 4 hour also we don't see any change in the price. It is still in that range. We did talk about this 1 hour FEG, right? Yeah, it took out the sell side liquidity, and in London itself, I think this got mitigated. I was seeing this, but I somehow didn't like this kind of move to the upside, which doesn't have a clear point of interest. So I haven't traded this. For tomorrow, maybe if this gets breaken, if this gets breaken out, I think we can look for longs. But the only problem for me is our target would be my target would be this buy side liquidity. So I wouldn't be getting much RR. I would at least target 2 RR, right? So I wouldn't be getting that. So what I'll do is I'll consider this as a sell side liquidity now. Or wait a minute, let's go to 50 minutes. Okay. We haven't seen a proper closing about this. To initiate some longs below this sell side liquidity from this FCG or this auto block, I need a proper closing about this line. I need a proper closing about this line, or else I'll just ignore this. I'll keep this, or else I'll wait for this sell side liquidity to get taken out. And obviously, as said yesterday, I would be looking for longs from here. I don't see any clear point of interest here. So yeah, I wouldn't be trading here. I would at least wait for this order block to get mitigated, or else I look for shorts if this buy side liquidity gets taken out, or yeah, if this buy side liquidity gets taken out, I'll look for shorts. That's it, guys. Actually, my view hasn't changed much because today is a ranging day. Today is a really boring day. It is all raining all day. So my bias would be same as yesterday. I'd be looking longs if the sell side liquidity gets taken out and price eventually pushes to auto block, then only I'll look for long. I wouldn't be looking for longs in this area because I can't see any clear point of interest here. We do have a 4 hour FPG. Okay. So what we can do is I think yeah we can look for longs, but we should be really careful. I'll go with really less size because we have unmitigated order block just below this. So I'd be really careful to look for longs from here. But my bias is really intact like yesterday. I would be going long from this order block. I would be looking to go long from this order block. And I'd be looking for shorts from this buy side liquidity. Overall, yeah, GU is really bearish. Is still bearish for me. and even Euro USD is bearish for me on the higher time frame, and dollar is definitely bullish on the higher time frame. But I'm expecting a correction until this sell side liquidity, as I mentioned in the weekly analysis video. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Maybe I'll come up with another daily video tomorrow based on my weekly analysis. See you guys.